And Jude is going home. You see. You see, if they said, maybe he's also gonna play with Yamal that side in Spain, I was gonna be fine. But it's shy. He's fine posy. So, it's very tricky, this one. England should have never go for the win against Messi and hope to Messi is the GOAT. Yeah, we get that, we know that. Everybody know. I don't think there's no one that doesn't know that. They're still going to play for third place. But like, they're gonna play with who? Who are they going to play with for third place, pa?
France.
England.
France was kicked out as well.
And Begumba.
Yeah, they are playing on.
So Jude Bellingham versus Mbappe for third place, whilst the final is Lamine Yamal versus Lionel Messi. What a tricky one, hey? They're all tricky. This is why I'm a dancer. This is why there's something called Dance World Cup. Hey, but also it gets deep, yo. No, Baba, if I remember properly, you remember when we went to the World Cup, England and South Africa were tied like this. Tomorrow is England winning. Tomorrow is this South Africa. It was literally like that. It was very tough. But like this, anyways, guys, let me go to sleep. Jealousy.
So to beat them, you have to score at least 3. Because they always score 2 or 3 goals. So if Spain want to win,
who will win? Argentina or Spain? Huh?
Did you hear what they say?
Ute, in order to...
If Spain want to win, I don't know what they say.
Yeah, you must go at least 3.